Professor Shuaib Hassan, Director, Center for Environmental Studies, CES, University of Abuja, has urged students to plant trees on resumption to mitigate climate change and restore the ecosystem. Hassan gave the advice in Abuja during his address to mark the 2021 World Environmental Day and to sensitize students to the importance of planting trees to protect the environment. He noted that trees and forests were critical parts of the solution to climate change and the biodiversity collapse faced by the world today. According to him, the event aims to mobilize, connect and empower global restoration community using Green Campus initiative to grow more trees.
It is time to realize the potential for tree planting to help solve some of the teething problems within our campus here. And that is the reason why the center has actually initiated this campus green initiative to plant trees, which is going to be on regular basis. It's not only going to stop today. After today, we'll continue. And we even have a strategy, a dream, what we call our strategic plan. That is to create a garden and park where we will be planting trees regularly. And it is also part of the plan. When the academic program takes off, every student coming in will come in with his or her own tree to plant and nurture up to the time he or she is graduating in that park or anywhere within the campus.
Professor Abdul Rashid Naala, Vice Chancellor, University of Abuja, also stressed the need to restore the ecosystem in order to save mankind and the environment. Naala, represented by Professor Basi Uboma of the Department of Science and Environmental Education, thanked the organizers of the event.
Man inhumanity to the environment, the pathological wickedness that we have to the environment is part of the problem. And if programs like this are not done to restore this high-class level of devastation, the biodiversity, we all know that have been threatened. Most of the species that we have that we can see around, we no more see them. They are now extinct. They're endangered. And you can't find them anymore around. And that is why this program, I am highly, highly, highly elated. And I want to thank the organizers for this. If the tree planting will continue, we've done that before with the development office, and I am highly excited that trees will be planted again. Because each one tree that you cut and you plant 10, it therefore means the issue of deforestation will be reduced.
For his part, the head of Department of Geography and Environmental Management said the ecosystem provides several services such as cultural, marine, and lots more.
Essentially, there are 4 fundamental services provided by ecosystem infrastructure as we have identified. And this has been catalogued by Millennium Ecosystem Assessment 2002, 2005, 2006. Ecosystem provides services ranging from climate change moderations, purification of underground water, purification of waste, air qualities, and so on and so forth. This ecosystem restoration is timely, and for us, it's a call to duty for us that we must live up to expectation to address the challenging problems emanating from rapid utilization of ecosystem without commensurate provision to address the problems.
Dr. Halilu Shaba, Director General, National Space Research and Development Agency, said the importance of the ecosystem could not be overemphasized. Shaba, who noted that every tree felled was oxygen lost, encouraged the students to leave a legacy that would be remembered by planting trees that would improve the environment.
For you to plan for the environment, you need to know how much of the environment is impacted. Environmental deterioration, what is the gully expansion, what is the number of trees that are falling, how is agriculture expanding. You want to know these things. Because for every tree that is falling, oxygen is lost. Carbon dioxide is increased. So I want to know how many trees are falling in a day, how many trees are falling in a week, how many trees are falling in a month, so that if I'm replacing, I will say that every month I'm going to plant 10, 20 trees so that it will meet up with what is needed. I also want to know what is the growth population rate, how the urban areas are expanding, The agricultural lands are expanding so that I can plan for them. Because if you don't have a plan, you have planned to fail. The action you are taking today, I can tell you, will go a long way, but you will not be happy until when you come back to this university in 10 years' time and you see what was begun with you. Because in a few years' time, when you walk from the gate, go around the whole university, you will never meet one face that you know, but the trees will be there. You can identify them, and you can beat your chest and say, I was part of this.
Similarly, the director, Global Initiative for Food Security and Ecosystem Preservation, GIFSEF, called for more awareness among Nigerians.
Sometimes it appears that environmental actions are to be taken by the big organizations, the government, or other institutions. But the people in those institutions are me and you, and it's what we can really do. So I charge you today, as you get back home, call your family together and notify them that today is World Environment Day. And the theme is ecosystem restoration. You can start from your home.